Do you worry about your personal expenses? Are you having difficulty financing different things? What if someone offers you an opportunity to earn money in just a snap of a finger? Everybody would love to earn money without exerting too much effort. For some people, the internet is just a bunch of technology maniacs. But this is absolutely wrong. The internet produced more millionaires in the past decade than any other industry. Only few internet millionaires are known, most are anonymous millionaires. Ranging from different products and services that they offered online, these millionaires just used their willingness and determination to earn fast money. If you are still unconvinced, here are some of the ways that you can earn fast money online. Online auctions. Participate in online auctions. With these online auctions, you can easily turn any of your unwanted items into profit. Aside from getting profit, your potential buyers will also benefit from it because they can buy cheap yet quality products. Reading emails. Another way of earning money online is being paid for reading emails. There are different sites that pay for doing it. Average payout is about 5 cents per email. Answering online surveys. There are tons of paid survey sites on the internet. All you have to do is answer online surveys and submit them. By just filling out one form, you earn additional dollars for your savings. Though not a definite source of income, you can earn fast money from as low as $1 to as much as $250 in just a few minutes by answering survey questions. Affiliate marketing. There are thousands of affiliate programs on the internet. Affiliate programs are advertising programs offering a monetary incentive for webmasters to drive traffic to the advertiser's website. This eliminates the necessity for the advertiser to find websites with related content to list their banners or links. So if you are the webmaster of a site dealing with books reviews, join Amazon's affiliate program and earn money whenever someone buys a book at Amazon arriving from your website. Pay-per-click ads. With online pay-per-click advertisements, you can easily earn fast money. There are various companies offering pay-per-click ads, e.g. Google's AdWords or Overture. All you need to do is choose a product you want to promote, write an ad, determine which keywords will be used by potential clients, set your pay-per-click pricing and wait for the sales to come in. Making money online is growing fast. But why is this becoming more and more popular? By doing online business, your market is the whole world. Since the internet is not just here in the United States but also in all other parts of the world, you have potential clients from all over the world. You are earning fast money from the comfort of your home. Just think about working 3 hours or less per day. It's absolutely possible. Imagine going on vacation and at the same time making money. Isn't that a lifestyle everyone would like to have? The possibilities are endless. Just utilize your internet connection and personal computers and start earning money fast.